In Te Reo Māori, the words that we use for siblings are dictated by age and sex. Here's how it works. Tuahine. Tuahine is the word that boys or men use to describe their sisters, older or younger. So, if you're a tama or a tāne talking about your sister, you use the word tuahine. Ko taku tuahine tēnei. This is my sister. Tungane. Tungane is the kupu that girls or women use to describe their brothers, older and younger. So, if you're a kōtiro or a wahine talking about your brothers, you use the word tungane. Ko tōku tungane tēnei. This is my brother. Imagine I was like a girl for that one, yeah. So, just for clarity, if you are a tāne and you got boy things in between your legs, you don't use the word tungane. That's a girl word. And if you're a wahine, you don't use the word tuahine. That word is used by our tama and our tāne. Make sense? Okay, but the next two words that I'm about to teach you, we all get to use. Teina. Teina is the kupu that we use to describe a sibling of the same sex as us who is younger than us. So if I'm a boy, my younger brothers are my teina. And if I'm a girl, my younger sisters are my teina. Ko wai o teina. Who are your younger siblings of the same sex? Tuakana. Tuakana is the opposite to teina, and it's the word that we use to describe a sibling of the same sex who is older than us. So my older brothers are my tuakana. And if you're a wahine, your older sisters are your tuakana. For example, I would say, kare kau aku tuakana. I have no older brothers because I'm the oldest. I'll be honest, it does take a little bit of practice to wrap our minds around some of these kupu, but if you've got siblings, send them this video along with this caption and let's all learn and practice together.